Hi, I'm Ken Spector with HappyCow. I'm here in Athens, Greece at Vegan Life Festival. I'm here with Yorgos, and Yorgos is a vegan who lives in Athens. What do you think of the event today?
Well, I think it's great because the weather is amazing today and there are a lot of people who came. It's the third year, so we're very happy about it.
Have you tried any of the food at today's event?
Yeah, plant-based vegan food over there is amazing. The burgers they have. Went around and I tried from the kiosks the food they had. It was nice.
You told me that you attended this event 3 years ago. How many people attended then versus how many people are here now?
In the first festival there were about 3,000 or 4,000 in total, and now I think it's gonna be like 7,000 or 8,000 or maybe more.
And how has the vegan scene grown here in Athens? There are now 10 vegan restaurants listed on HappyCow. Some are like Vegan Nation, which are counter restaurants. There are several of those. What was the scene like when you came here, and what is it like now?
Veganism is becoming more and more popular. They want to try vegan food, and that's why we open more restaurants here in Athens. And we have like really good quality of food. The oils we use, the fruits, the vegetables are, because the ground is
really good.
Good, yes,
Nice.
yes,
Good
yes,
soil.
yes,
Good
yes.
soil.
Good soil, yeah.
Yeah, and you were involved, and I saw you yesterday at the very first organized animal rights march in Greece. How exciting was that? I was there as well.
Oh, it was so good. We are fighting for their rights, so it's very important people to understand that and go and protest about it, because we're talking about rights, and rights are rights regardless the species, the nationality, the color, the age. Rights are rights for everyone, and I was so glad that non-vegan people came yesterday to the protest, and they were there with us, which I think is very important.
I want to thank you very, very much for your support for the animals and support for this event. You did volunteer here. Really appreciate it. This is Yorgos, and I am Ken Spector with HappyCow. I'm here with one of the organizers of the event. Her name is Krystallina. And what do you think of the event today? You put on an incredible event, by the way.
Yeah, thank you very much. Actually, I'm really excited. It's so big, so many people coming. The best food in Athens. It's so cool.
How long have you been vegan?
6 years and a half.
6 years. And since you started, how has veganism or the vegan scene changed in Athens?
Oh wow, like a lot. The first time I tried veganism was 10 years ago, and everyone thought I was crazy or that I was going to die. You know, they worried about me. I tried it 6 years ago when I gave birth to my son, and I wanted a vegan family. So I did research, and I was really strong in my beliefs. So I fought with everyone. And we won. We have, our health is very good. Back then, the word vegan was not well known. Especially after we started doing the festival, things have changed dramatically. When we first did it 3 years ago, there was only one vegan shop in Athens, and now there are like 20.
What are some of your favorite restaurants in Athens? Vegan restaurants.
Oh yeah, I really love peas. As a restaurant, I love lime.
Lime. I loved lime. I had the salad there with an almond feta on tomatoes. Beautiful presentation. Gorgeous dish. Delicious.
I know, and everything is so light, with the best ingredients. You eat and you don't feel heavy. I love it.
I was told that chefs and owners of many restaurants don't necessarily know the word vegan here in Athens or in Greece, but they do know the word nostissimo. Does nostissimo mean vegan?
Not exactly. Nistissimo is what Greeks eat when they're fasting, but it's a little tricky because they also consider nistissimo animals of the sea and maybe sometimes eggs and dairy. It's okay to say nistissimo, but also say that you also want no eggs, no milk, no fish.
Okay. How would I say that in Greek?
Όχι γαλακτοκομικά, όχι αυγά, όχι ψάρια και θαλασσινά.
That's what I would say.
Yes.
Okay. You're going to have to teach me that later. I didn't quite get that my first time. Now, I was told to say nostissimo when I was in Santorini by someone who lives in Athens. And I ordered a salad and a couple of other dishes. And I noticed that there was cheese on my salad. So nostissimo is not good enough to say at restaurants. You really have to say all of these things. This is Krystallina. She is one of the organizers of the event. I am Ken Spector. We're here on a lovely day in Athens, Greece at Vegan Life Festival. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.